Welcome, family. Welcome to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General trying to find out what I was going to get. Because I got up a little late than what I usually do. And I had some things in mind, but it didn't pan out. But that's all right. You know, when I do my 5 off of 25s, sometimes I just go in there and just get some stuff and then go. And then sometimes I have a plan and the plan works. But it all depends on, if the store has the product. And my store, I seen today, they are getting back on track as far as having a stock of product, okay? Or it could be, don't nobody usually go to that Dollar General, and all the stuff is there. So that's why I think I love that Dollar General store, okay? So let's go ahead and get to the first deal. I did 2 transactions in 2 different stores, okay? One store is the one that I always go to, and then another store is not that far from the one I go to, but sometimes I forget that it's there because I don't go to that store all the time, that Dollar General all the time, but it's all good. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the first. I'm going to give you the first transaction. Okay, so the first thing I got was, y'all know about these Febreze plug-ins, okay? They are on sale for $3, and I think the regular price is $3 too. And we have in the P&G, it was a $3 manufacturer coupon, okay? We got manufacturer and digital, okay? Coupons. So what I did was I just picked up 2. One of them was a manufacturer coupon, and then the other one was the digital, okay? The next thing was this Airwick. This Airwick is $1 and I think it's 65 cents for the Airwick. Yeah, and we have $1.50 off digital coupon that attached. And I forgot to say, these 2 right here, free, okay? Free. And that's why I'm glad that they was good off the 5 off of 25, okay? The next thing are these Suave. These Suave Cocoa Shea lotions, they are the 10 ounce. They are $1.95 for both of them. I had $1 off manufacturer coupon. What you can do is go on coupontime.com and just put in for the Suave for the lotion, and it'll tell you which paper it came in. I'm thinking that, I don't know if they expired today or next Saturday, but I went ahead and purchased 2 of them because I had 3, but I just got 2 because that's all they had. And both of those came off. Like I said, they was $1 off, made those 95. Look at them just going back and forth. 95 cents each, okay? The next thing is the Suave. I went ahead and got 3. They are $1. No, I'm sorry, they are $2. I had $3.50 off manufacturer coupon. All right. So it made those 50 cents each. And go on coupontime.com and it will show you where those coupons are. All right. So it's probably the same place where the Suave lotion is. The next thing is the Lay's. If you buy Lay's, and then also, let me move this around, and Pepsi, okay? The Pepsi is $1. The wavy Lay's, I think they are $3 each. Let me see how much the Lay's are. $3, but they on sale 2 for $5, but I just wanted to get 1. And because there is a digital coupon that is on the app that is saying if you buy 2 of these, you get $2 off. So then the next thing, y'all, let me move these out of the way, are these Suave. These Suave all natural, the Suave natural, I got the curl conditioner and the sulfate-free cleansing shampoo. I needed me some cleansing shampoo. They are $5 each. there is a digital coupon that is on the app for $4.50 off of 2, which is a Dollar General coupon. Also, there is $2 off of 1 if you buy the product. So I got the curl conditioner and the, like I said, the sulfate-free cleansing shampoo. They are $2. There was a $2 off manufacturer coupon for each, and I used those 2, and that came off. So yeah, after, let me put all this back. After all the, everything went totaled up, the digital came off, and then the manufacturer coupons, they all scanned. There was no beeps at all. My subtotal, y'all, was $2.55. Yes, $2.55 for all of this. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. Total savings, $29. Yes, $29, $2.55 subtotal. You can't beat that. And then here is a 5 off of 25 for next week. So y'all, that transaction went lovely. Okay, lovely. So let's move over here to the second store. Okay, so y'all see I had a whole lot of the manufacturer coupons for the Febreze. So I was trying to, it doesn't expire until next Saturday, but I wanted to go ahead and get it over with, because once I seen them and I said a 5 off of 25, I said, you know what? I'm ready to try to see if I can use all 4 of these. Plus I had a digital. So I was good with that. So y'all see the plugins, okay? The Febreze plugins, I got 4. And then this one. So I used 3 manufacturer coupons, and then I had a digital, okay? This was on my husband's card. Then they had $1.95 for the swab. I had an extra $1 off manufacturer coupon. I used that. And then the small spaces. The small spaces are $3 each. There is a digital coupon that is, if you buy 2, you get $3 off. So it's like a buy 1, get 1 for what's that? They $3 each. Buy 1, get 1. That's what it's like, because you only paying $3. Okay. Then the next thing, y'all, these Suave tropical coconuts. Remember they was on the clearance they was $1.80. So they still on clearance. If you see them, they still was on clearance, ringing up $1.80 because I scanned them in the store. It's only this one, the tropical coconut. So I had $2 off manufacturer coupons that did come off for these, only making these 80 cents a piece. Then I went ahead and got the Lay's, along with, let me move this over, the Pepsi. The Pepsi is $1, and then the Lay's is $3 each. So this was actually my husband. He loves the honey barbecue, so I got him a bag of honey barbecue. I eat honey barbecue every now and then, but it's only if that's the only thing in the house for me to eat. So after all this rung up, all the digitals came off, and my manufacturer coupons scanned. There was no beeps. Y'all, my subtotal was the same thing as my subtotal on my first transaction. Okay, everything was the same as my first transaction. My subtotal was $2.55. Yes, $2.55. I think I might play that. On lottery, I usually don't do lottery, but for this to say $2.55 for the subtotal on both of them, that's a good number. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. There it is. There we go. There's the Suave cocoa butter. There we go. Everything. The Febreze spaces, Febreze warmers, the Pepsi, the Lay's. Subtotal $2.55, and everybody's taxes is different. Total savings on this one was $25. Yes, $25. And I didn't get a 5 off of 25 on that one, which is fine. But y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss London's Child.